Yo, it's me, Deadcarpet, and this is a Deadcarpet openings video. My package arrived in the mail today, so today I'm going to be opening up the Avantree Bluetooth wireless 4.0 micro USB adapter. So yeah, I got a laptop a few months ago, but I found out it doesn't have built-in Bluetooth, so I can't use my Apple AirPods on it or transfer files wirelessly. But I got a Bluetooth adapter now, so hopefully it will work. So we shall see. Yes, it's DG40S wireless 4.0 micro USB adapter. Low power consumption, music and data exchange compatible. Most Windows 8 and 10 plug and play, headphones, speakers, smartphones, keyboard and mouse. A warranty. Support streaming music, support data exchange, compatible with Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows 7, 8, 8.1, or Windows 10. Nothing on the top of the box, or the sides, just the back side. Has it in English and French, and I think Spanish maybe. Has the specifications up to 20 meters, operation range, Bluetooth data transfer rate of up to 3 megabytes per second, has some software support, made in China, has SKU and the trademark information, so yeah. But anyway, now I'm going to open it right quick. I got the tape off of it, so now I can open it. So, let's see if I can get it out. It's like, ooh. Well, didn't mean for that to happen. Okay, it came with the quick user guide. Nothing too interesting in that. Then it came with a little driver software CD. This has the drivers and stuff you need for it to work on your computer. Windows 10 users don't need the CD. That's for like Windows 7, 8, and XP. You need the CD, so you know. And then I got a different type of guide booklet from all their products. I guess they also sell headphones and stuff. Well, I can open it. Okay. A lot of different headphones and speakers and stuff. USB hub. And different Bluetooth transmitters and stuff. So that's interesting, I guess. Then a contact info. If it will focus, I don't know. Has their phone numbers and stuff. And then a $5 off promo code you might can. Well, actually, I'll just go ahead and give it to you because I'm not going to use it, so you know. Well, if it would focus. Okay, there, you're welcome. Okay, and then I got the adapter itself. It's small, it has the Avantree logo. Probably not going to be able to see it. No, it's in a separate plastic thing. I hate these skinny plastic things. So yeah. That's pretty much it for this video. And I dropped it. Okay. So anyway, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Peace out. And bye.